In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save a file as a PDF in Word. When you have a document open in Word, you may want to share it in a format that keeps the layout the same on any device. Saving as a PDF is a reliable way to do that. It preserves formatting, makes printing easier, and helps prevent accidental editing by other people. Now we will go through the process from the very beginning. First, click the File tab in the top left corner of the ribbon. This is the main menu area in Word, and it takes you to options related to saving, opening, and exporting your document. Take a moment to locate the File tab and click it once. After you do, the screen will switch to a new view where you can manage your document. Next, click Save As from the left-hand menu. This section is designed specifically for choosing how you want to save your file and what file type you want to use. In the menu, you will see Save As listed on the left side, so simply select it to move forward. This step matters because it gives you access to the file format options we need. Now, you will see choices for a destination where the PDF will be stored. Click Browse or choose a folder destination on your computer. If Word shows a default location, you can keep it, or you can pick a different folder so you can find the PDF easily later. When you click Browse, you will be able to navigate through your computer's folders and select a location that makes sense for your workflow. Choose the folder where you want the PDF to appear, then confirm your selection. After you have selected the location, look for the drop-down menu next to Save as Type. This drop-down controls the file format that Word will create. Click the drop-down so you can see the list of available formats. This is the key moment where we switch the output from a Word document to a PDF file. From the list of file formats, select PDF*. PDF. This tells Word to save your document as a PDF, which is the standard format for sharing and viewing consistently. Make sure the option clearly shows PDF and the file type ends in PDF. Once you select it, Word will prepare to save using that format. With the format selected, you will now need to name the file. In the File Name box, type a name for your document. Use a clear name that describes what is inside, such as the topic or version, so you can quickly recognize it later. If you want, you can leave the existing name as a starting point and just adjust it to match what you prefer. The important part is that you have a specific file name in the box. Finally, click the Save button to create your PDF file. This sends Word to export your document in the PDF format and store it in the folder you chose. After you click Save, there may be a brief moment as Word finishes processing. Once it completes, your PDF file will be ready in the selected location, and you can open it to confirm everything looks right. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.